Hey there, this is Patrick here, and I'm actually recording this video in a car right now, and that's why you see the video is a bit shaky. And I'm actually in a car is because I'm on my way back. We just finished our 2 days workshop, and it's been a great workshop where I teach about digital e-commerce. So I thought of doing a short video for all my friends, fans, customers, subscribers, and on this page, or if you're watching this on YouTube, then in YouTube. So there are a few key highlights that I wanted to share. The first thing that I want to share, this is some of the points that I brought up. What is the key thing that determines whether you win the game or not in 2019? Whether you're able to compete with your competitors, become better than competitors, and so on. And the answer is that whoever have produced better content wins the game. Now, what do I mean by that? It means that in today's time, there are a lot of transparency on the internet. So trickery will not work anymore. There's no way how you can trick your customer to buy from you. If you do, you won't be truly building a long-term business, simply because eventually your customer will find out whatever trick it is, and they'll be kind of upset with how you do business. So the way how you win over customer is being able to produce the content that outbid your competitors. So focus on producing content, because those with the quote-unquote better content, more valuable content, will win the game. The second thing that I want to share with you, or what I shared during today's workshop, is that when it comes to lead generation, the way how we are moving forward in 2019 as well, we will be focusing on lead generation, where it's not focused on getting a free email address or free subscribers, but we'll be focusing on selling a product to acquire a quote-unquote lead, which is also a customer. So what do I mean by this? The normal way of how someone lead generation is that they put out a web page and then they give something away for free, like free ebook, free report, free white paper, free tool, free video, and so on, right? I mean, those still works. I'm not saying that it's not working anymore, but I'm just sharing with you a different insight if you want to test this out. So instead of doing that, the traffic that you have purchased that comes from whether Facebook ads or anywhere else, they will send to a sales page, or should I say a web page, where the prospect or the website visitors can now buy a product where the product price it is affordable, right? And that's going to be the focus point, where the focus is going to be to focus on building buyer lists rather than building prospect lists, or should I say subscriber lists. Now, one of the key reasons why this is happening is because the email effectiveness has dropped drastically. I'm not sure whether you are experiencing that or not, but I believe that in times to come, in 2021, in next year 2020 and so on, the effectiveness of email will continue to decrease, right? And one of the ways to so-called battle this current challenge or situation, apart from focusing on different channels of how you communicate with your customers, is to increase the quality of your leads instead. So if they are your customers, chances are that you'll be still responsive towards your emails compared to a free subscriber. So let me just put it into your shoe in a sense. Imagine you subscribe for a free newsletter. When you receive an email from the newsletter owner where you didn't pay anything for a newsletter, the likelihood of you to read the content will become less. True, right? I mean, that will happen to me. But if you pay for, say, the newsletter, even it's very little, say it's $29 per year, chances are, and when the owner of the newsletter sends you an email, you may still open it to check it out, what they have to say, what they want to tell you, what do they want to update you, and so on, right? So that is the difference in terms of a free lead and a paid lead in a sense. So those are three takeaways that I had to share with you today in this bumpy video, this recording. If you like this, just let me know, share that. If any question, just ask that. And other than that, I will see you, well, hopefully one day in one of my workshops, right? Or seminars or anywhere I'm speaking at. See you then.